Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are scrolling through your For You page and constantly getting hit with a couldn't play video or playback error message, this is usually caused by network buffering issues, corrupted temporary data, or an outdated app version. I have verified the latest troubleshooting steps, and I will show you exactly how to get your videos loading smoothly again right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason a TikTok video fails to play is a minor interruption in your internet connection. Even if your Wi-Fi looks connected, it might be struggling to pull the heavy video data. Pull down your phone's control center and completely turn off your Wi-Fi to force the app onto your cellular data or vice versa. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off again to completely refresh your device's network antennas. Next, if your internet is stable but the videos still will not load, your app's local storage is likely full of corrupted temporary files. Open your TikTok app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the Free Up Space section, and tap Clear right next to your cache. This safely removes junk data without logging you out or deleting your drafts. Finally, if clearing the cache doesn't resolve the playback error, you might be dealing with a software bug in an older version of the app. Open your device's App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok to ensure you have the latest update installed. If the app is already fully updated, completely uninstall TikTok from your phone and cleanly reinstall it. This resets all core files and almost always permanently fixes the playback issues. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.